BENDA Motorcycles has unveiled its latest flagship model, the LFC700 PRO, setting a new standard in the cruiser segment. Combining muscular design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, the LFC700 Pro is designed to appeal to riders who seek both style and substance. Here's a detailed look at what makes the BENDA LFC700 Pro a standout motorcycle in the market. The BENDA LFC700 Pro captures attention with its bold, aggressive design. Drawing inspiration from classic cruisers while incorporating modern elements, it features a low-slung profile, wide handlebars, and a sculpted fuel tank. The bike's muscular stance is enhanced by its large, exposed V-twin engine and a unique, futuristic LED headlamp that provides excellent illumination and adds to its distinctive look. The LFC700 Pro's aesthetics are further complemented by premium finishes and attention to detail. High-quality materials are used throughout, including a combination of metal and leather that exudes both luxury and durability. The bike's blacked-out components and minimalist graphics underscore its powerful presence on the road. At the heart of the BENDA LFC700 Pro is a robust 680cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke V-twin engine. This power plant is engineered to deliver impressive performance, producing a maximum power output of around 90 horsepower. The engine's configuration ensures a smooth and consistent power delivery, with ample torque available across the rev range, making it ideal for both city cruising and highway riding. The LFC700 Pro features advanced fuel injection and a sophisticated ECU, ensuring optimal combustion and fuel efficiency. The exhaust system is tuned to produce a deep, resonant sound that enhances the overall riding experience. With its powerful engine and well-matched transmission, the LFC700 Pro offers thrilling acceleration and a top speed that will satisfy even the most demanding riders. Despite its powerful performance, the BENDA LFC700 Pro is designed for ease of handling and rider comfort. The bike's chassis is constructed from lightweight yet strong materials, providing a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This design ensures stability at high speeds and agility in tight corners. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and a multi-link rear suspension, both of which are adjustable to suit different riding conditions. This allows the LFC700 Pro to deliver a smooth, controlled ride over various terrains. The low seat height and ergonomic design of the seat and foot pegs ensure that riders of all sizes can find a comfortable and commanding riding position. The BENDA LFC700 Pro is equipped with a host of modern technologies that enhance both safety and convenience. It features a full-color TFT display that provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and navigation data. The bike also comes with multiple riding modes, allowing riders to customize the bike's performance to suit their preferences and riding conditions. Safety features include a dual-channel anti-lock braking system, ABS, and traction control system, TCS, which provide added confidence when braking and accelerating on slippery surfaces. Additionally, the LFC700 Pro is equipped with keyless ignition and a smart security system to prevent theft and unauthorized use. The BENDA LFC700 Pro is a compelling new entrant in the cruiser motorcycle market, combining striking design, powerful performance, and modern technology. It offers a unique blend of classic cruiser aesthetics and contemporary features, making it an ideal choice for riders who demand both style and substance from their motorcycle. With the LFC700 PRO, BENDA Motorcycles has set a new benchmark in the cruiser segment, promising an exhilarating and comfortable riding experience for enthusiasts around the world.